Top 6 types of fish that people with diabetes should know. What if the secret to managing your diabetes and improving your health lies in the ocean? Imagine savoring delicious, healthy meals while keeping your blood sugar in check. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because today we're about to uncover the top 6 types of fish that every diabetic should know, and they might surprise you. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're on a journey to better manage your diabetes, or simply looking for healthier food options, this video is for you. Fish is not only a great source of protein, but also contains essential nutrients that can help regulate blood sugar, support heart health, and reduce inflammation. But which fish should you add to your diet? Today, we'll dive deep into the top 6 types of fish perfect for people with diabetes. Let's get started. Number 1. Crucian Carp. Crucian Carp isn't just a tasty addition to your meals. It's a powerhouse of nutrients perfect for managing diabetes. This lean, protein-rich fish is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that strengthen your immune system and support digestive health. Studies highlight the benefits of protein-dense fish, like Crucian Carp, in reducing insulin resistance, a key factor in better blood sugar control. If you're looking for a nutritious, diabetes-friendly food, Crucian Carp deserves a spot on your plate. What sets Crucian Carp apart is its ability to pair seamlessly with other nutrient-packed ingredients, such as tofu. Tofu is rich in isoflavones, plant-based compounds shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Together, Crucian Carp and tofu create a powerhouse combination, delivering a meal that not only satisfies hunger, but actively aids in regulating blood sugar. Preparing Crucian Carp is both simple and versatile, making it easy to incorporate into your diet. One popular option is a nourishing soup featuring Crucian Carp and tofu, lightly seasoned with ginger and scallions. This dish enhances the fish's delicate flavor while providing anti-inflammatory benefits, ideal for those seeking holistic health improvement. Want an extra boost? Add leafy greens like bok choy, spinach, or kale for a fiber-rich, nutrient-dense twist. The appeal of Crucian Carp goes beyond its flavor. Its unique blend of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals directly combats the challenges of diabetes. Regular consumption can help stabilize blood sugar levels while supporting overall health. By pairing it with complementary ingredients like tofu and vegetables, you're not just creating a meal. You're crafting a dish that nurtures your body and aligns with your health goals. With its exceptional nutritional profile and ability to improve insulin sensitivity, Crucian Carp is a must-have in any diabetes-conscious diet. Whether you enjoy it in a comforting soup or as part of another creative recipe, this fish offers a delicious way to support your health journey one bite at a time. Number 2. Tilapia. If you're looking for a healthy, budget-friendly, and versatile fish to include in your diet, tilapia is a standout choice. This mild-flavored fish offers an impressive combination of low calories, lean protein, and essential nutrients, making it ideal for those managing diabetes. A 100-gram serving of steamed tilapia contains just 137 calories and over 28 grams of protein, according to the USDA. Its high protein content not only helps regulate blood sugar levels, but also keeps you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to maintain a balanced diet. Tilapia's protein profile is particularly beneficial for diabetics. Protein slows the digestion of carbohydrates, helping to prevent sudden blood sugar spikes. Additionally, its low-fat, low-calorie nature supports healthy weight management, a critical component in controlling diabetes. Whether you're aiming to stabilize your glucose levels or improve overall health, tilapia fits seamlessly into a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. Preparing tilapia is quick and effortless. Its mild flavor pairs beautifully with various seasonings and ingredients, making it a versatile option for any meal. For a simple yet flavorful dish, bake tilapia with a drizzle of olive oil, fresh herbs like parsley or dill, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Serve it alongside roasted vegetables like zucchini, asparagus, or bell peppers for a fiber-packed, nutrient-rich meal that supports blood sugar regulation. Craving something with an Asian-inspired twist? Try steaming tilapia with fresh ginger, garlic, and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. This light and aromatic preparation can be paired with brown rice or quinoa for a wholesome, balanced dish. The combination of lean protein, healthy grains, and minimal fats ensures steady energy without causing glucose spikes. Tilapia is more than just a healthy fish. It's an accessible, affordable, and delicious way to improve your diabetes management. Its adaptability allows you to enjoy it baked, grilled, steamed, or even pan-seared, offering countless ways to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Add tilapia to your weekly menu, and you'll be making a smart choice for your health without sacrificing flavor or variety. Number 3, Barramundi. Barramundi, also known as Asian sea bass, is a nutritional powerhouse and an excellent choice for anyone managing diabetes. Packed with lean protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins like A and B, this fish also delivers vital minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. These nutrients make barramundi particularly effective at supporting kidney health and spleen function, two areas often affected by diabetes. One standout feature of barramundi is its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in the development of diabetes and other metabolic disorders, but the omega-3 fatty acids found in this fish can help combat it. According to research published in Nutrition and Metabolism, omega-3s and other nutrients in barramundi can significantly reduce inflammation, promoting better blood sugar control and overall metabolic health. What makes barramundi even more appealing is its mild, buttery flavor and firm texture, which make it incredibly versatile in the kitchen. For a simple, diabetes-friendly meal, grill barramundi with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of sea salt, and a dash of black pepper. Pair it with a quinoa salad loaded with fresh greens, cucumber, and a light vinaigrette for a satisfying dish that helps stabilize blood sugar levels. If you're in the mood for an Asian-inspired twist, try steaming barramundi with fresh garlic, ginger, and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. Serve it alongside steamed bok choy or broccoli for a fiber-rich, low-glycemic meal that supports digestive health and slows sugar absorption in the bloodstream. Beyond its nutritional benefits, barramundi is also a sustainable choice, often farmed responsibly to minimize environmental impact. By adding this nutrient-dense fish to your diet, you're not just making a healthy choice, you're also supporting a more sustainable food system. Whether you grill it, steam it, or bake it, barramundi is a delicious and diabetes-friendly option that fits seamlessly into a healthy lifestyle. Its rich nutrient profile, anti-inflammatory benefits, and incredible versatility make it a must-have for anyone seeking to manage diabetes while enjoying flavorful, satisfying meals. Are you finding these tips helpful? If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest content about health and wellness. And we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to cook fish? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Number 4. Golden Croaker. Golden Croaker is a nutritional powerhouse and an excellent choice for anyone managing diabetes. Packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals, this flavorful fish supports overall well-being by improving digestive health and blood circulation. What sets Golden Croaker apart is its high omega-3 fatty acid content. According to Journal of Diabetes Research, omega-3s improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to regulate blood sugar more effectively. Additionally, the unsaturated fats in Golden Croaker lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases, a common concern for diabetics. Cooking Golden Croaker is simple and versatile. Steamed with ginger and scallions, it combines anti-inflammatory benefits with excellent flavor. Pair this with brown rice or quinoa and steamed vegetables like spinach or kale for a balanced, fiber-rich meal. Another great option is baking Golden Croaker with a light herb crust. Mix breadcrumbs with parsley, thyme, and olive oil, coat the fish, and bake until golden. Serve with roasted asparagus or zucchini for a low-carb, flavorful dinner. Golden Croaker is affordable, widely available, and heart-friendly, making it a smart addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. With its delicious taste and impressive health benefits, Golden Croaker can support better blood sugar control and overall wellness. Add this heart-healthy fish to your meal plan and enjoy its many benefits for your health journey. Number 5. Snakehead Fish. Managing diabetes becomes easier with nutrient-rich, tasty foods like snakehead fish. This versatile fish is loaded with high-quality protein, essential vitamins A and B, and vital minerals like calcium and potassium. Not only does it nourish the body, but it also has a soothing effect on the stomach, making it a great addition to any diabetes-friendly meal plan. One of the greatest benefits of snakehead fish is its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels. Protein-rich foods like this fish slow the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream after meals, preventing blood sugar spikes and maintaining steady energy. Regularly including snakehead fish in your diet supports better blood sugar control and overall metabolic health. Cooking it is easy and offers plenty of variety. For a simple yet flavorful option, steam snakehead fish with ginger and garlic. Both have anti-inflammatory properties and aid in better blood sugar regulation. Serve with brown rice and steamed broccoli or carrots for a balanced, nutrient-packed meal. Another healthy and delicious choice is baking the fish with olive oil, lemon, and fresh herbs. This method preserves its nutrients while adding fantastic flavor. Prefer frying? Opt for almond flour or whole grain breadcrumbs for a lighter alternative, and finish with fresh lemon juice or a splash of soy sauce for a zesty touch. Affordable, versatile, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals, snakehead fish supports heart health, stronger bones, and improved blood sugar stability. Including it in your weekly meal plan brings variety, flavor, and health benefits. Why wait? Cook it steamed, baked, or grilled and experience the benefits for yourself. Snakehead fish is more than just healthy, it's a delicious addition your body will love. Number 6. Salmon. Salmon is a superfood packed with omega-3 fatty acids, making it an excellent choice for anyone managing diabetes. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support cardiovascular health. According to the American Diabetes Association, omega-3s in salmon can improve your body's insulin response, helping regulate blood sugar. They also lower triglycerides and improve lipid levels, reducing the risk of heart disease, a common diabetes complication. The benefits of eating salmon are many: improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, better heart health, and stable energy levels. Its versatility and flavor make it easy to maintain a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. Salmon can be grilled or baked with olive oil, fresh lemon, and herbs like dill or rosemary. Pair it with roasted sweet potatoes or steamed green beans for a healthy, satisfying meal. Another great option is a fresh salmon salad with greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, and a light vinaigrette. Avocado provides healthy fats and fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar. For a quick weeknight dinner, try pan-seared salmon with brown rice and stir-fried vegetables. This meal offers a great balance of healthy fats, protein, and fiber for sustained energy and stable blood sugar. Salmon isn't just delicious. It's a nutrient powerhouse that can improve heart health and blood sugar control. Whether baked, grilled, or added to a salad, salmon is versatile, easy to prepare, and heart-healthy. Make salmon a regular part of your diet. Its combination of omega-3s, heart-healthy properties, and blood sugar benefits can make a difference in your overall well-being. Give it a try and taste the difference. Incorporating the right types of fish into your diet can make a huge difference when managing diabetes. From salmon's heart-healthy omega-3s to the low-calorie protein of tilapia, these 6 fish we've covered are not only tasty but packed with benefits that can help stabilize blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect against complications. So, whether you're grilling, baking, or adding these fish to your favorite salads, small changes can lead to big results. Making these choices part of your weekly routine can empower you to take control of your health, one bite at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more tips on diabetes-friendly living. Let's keep learning and eating smart together. Stay healthy and happy. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.